What is the right way to use affirmations? It is very common for people to use affirmations incorrectly, and this video is about how to use affirmations for maximum impact. I am such a huge believer in affirmations. If you're not familiar with what affirmations are, they are basically positive phrases or sentences that we tell ourselves over and over that are aimed to affect the conscious and the subconscious mind. By repeating these positive phrases over and over, what happens is they start to inspire us, energize us, motivate us, and start to change or alter our beliefs about ourselves. Most people are already using affirmations in their lives, but in a negative way. They say, I'm not good enough. I hate myself. It's hard to make money. I'm not worthy of love. Life is hard. Life is tough. Life is difficult. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money is hard to come by. There's no opportunity out there. I'm not worthy. All kinds of negative, limiting things that you need to rewrite with positive beliefs. I am good enough. It's so easy for me to make money. I am worthy. I am worthy of all great things. I am worthy of love. I love myself. So if maybe you think that you've been doing this, you're going to be aware of this now and start to program in positive affirmations into your subconscious. So think about your life and think about what is going on in your life and what you would like to change and some positive things you want in your life. And think about how you are currently feeling about the things you want in your life. And think about what kind of self-talk you have been telling yourself about them. Maybe you want a loving, committed relationship, but you may feel unworthy of true love. Maybe do you have some limiting beliefs that you can actually have that? So you've been unconsciously thinking negative thoughts and reaffirming those thoughts to yourself, causing you to do the things that will prove you right, or giving up on new people you like too quickly, or judging people too quickly, or doing the little things so you sabotage your chances of finding true love. So if you feel like you've been repelling the things you want, you're going to start using affirmations to change those thoughts and beliefs and to fix those blocks and negativities by reprogramming your unconscious mind to be aligned with positive things. What you want, how you want your life to be, how you want to feel. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to make up a simple statement of whatever it is that you would like to have happen to you. Something positive and simple. An example of this is if you have a date coming up, maybe you're going on a first date with somebody new. You're going to affirm to yourself, it's going to be a great date. 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 You repeat it to yourself over and over and over again. That's what you do. And what happens is the mind picks up on this statement. You say, it's going to be a great date. 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 And the mind says, what are you saying? It's going to be a great date. 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 And the mind says, what? What is that? And you keep saying, it's going to be a great date. 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 And then your mind says, it is a date. It's going to be great. And then your mind starts thinking thoughts about it being a great date. And your vibration becomes, it's going to be a great date. And not only that, the person that you are on a date with picks up, it's going to be a great date. And you know what happens? It ends up being a really great date. So remember, it's best to keep the affirmation short and sweet and not longer than a sentence. This is a great day. This is a great day. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great day. This is going to be a freaking great day. Today is going to be a great day. Lots of work done today. Lots of work done today. Lots of work done today. Make lots of money today. Make lots of money today. Make tons of money today. Make tons of money today. I feel great today. I feel great today. I feel great today. I feel amazing today. Lots of sales today. Lots of sales today. Lots of sales today. Short and simple. Now you want to usually keep the affirmation in the present tense as often as possible, but I believe it's still great even if it's in the future tense because it will lead you to using the affirmation in the present tense form from my experience. An example of not using an affirmation in the present tense is, say if you want to lose weight and you come up with the affirmation, in 3 months I am going to weigh 140 pounds. This is not in the present tense. Now that same affirmation stated in the present tense is, I now happily weigh 140 pounds. This puts the affirmation in the present. So use whatever feels best for you, but remember that eventually you want to get to the point where the affirmation is in the present tense. This affirmation is also very brief and specific, which is good. Another way to enhance an affirmation is to put emotion into it. Now, when you make it more emotional with more feelings such as, I am celebrating feeling light and alive in my perfect body weighing 140 pounds. Now that just feels better, right? Also, a great thing about that affirmation is that it starts with I am, which is very powerful. Use I am to start your affirmations when you can. I am great. I am great. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am so happy. I am so happy. Using I am is a great way to start your affirmations. Now, once you have your affirmation, you're going to repeat this affirmation many, many times. And what this is going to do is going to reprogram your subconscious mind to succeed in losing any excess weight that will get you to your goal. By stating this affirmation every day, you start to flood your subconscious with thoughts and images of the new reality you wish to create. It's going to get you to stay focused on your goal of weighing 140 pounds. It's going to reprogram your subconscious mind. Now, when you say this enough times, you're essentially rewriting any old limiting beliefs you may have had, like, my diet never works. Whenever I lose weight, I just gain it right back. And whatever negative beliefs you have. Repeating this affirmation 5 to 10 minutes every day is going to create a new belief in your subconscious that you weigh 140 pounds and you feel great. Nothing else, just that belief. The old limiting beliefs will be gone. You have this new belief, and what you believe becomes your reality. Whatever you believe with feeling becomes your reality. Now, I want to be very clear. It is the repetition of the affirmation which is key. You must say it, listen to it, repeat it over and over and over and over again. Very important. The repetition is what counts and is what will rewrite that old belief with a new belief. You cannot just listen to an affirmation or say an affirmation a few times and expect it to become a new belief. You must repeat it over and over and over again. It's going to take some time, and the repetition is going to drill that new belief into your subconscious and change your life. It is super important. The power of repetition cannot be overemphasized. What I do is first thing in the morning when I'm taking a shower, I start shouting affirmations, repeating them over and over again. I love myself. Great things happen to me. Wonderful people come into my life. I feel amazing. Today's going to be a great day. I am successful. I blast through obstacles. I crush obstacles. I am courageous. I make the most of my life. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. My life is just beginning. I yell these and many more affirmations over and over. Yelling these positive affirmations really helps to pump me up in the morning and gets me moving in the right direction and sets my mind right to do amazing things. Now, another great way to create new beliefs with affirmations is to record yourself saying them over and over in your phone or some kind of audio recording device and listen to it as often as you can. Listen to it on your way to work, on your way back from work. Listen to it at work. If you're allowed to listen to audio while you work, it will work amazingly well. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Also, I would love it if you would write your favorite affirmations in the comments section below so that other people can read them and use them in their lives. Lots of love to you, and thanks for watching.